Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set notification sound on your device. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. After that, you have to scroll down to sound and vibration. On the below, you are going to find the sound and vibration. So click on it. After you have been click on it, you are able to see the notifications. So just click on notifications. From here, you are able to choose any notification sound for your device. Okay, it's loading, and here you are able to choose any ringtone from here. Suppose I'm going to choose top nature because it is nice to be choose from the top nature for notification. See, if you want to hear on it, just click on any ringtone. Just click like this and you are able to hear on it. If you want to apply this ringtone, just click on this bell option and click on OK, and it will be applied successfully on your device. Just click on OK. Right, here is the OK option, so click on OK and the ringtone will be applied for notification sound. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.